Good morning, YouTube. You see the vibes. Got the S2000 on all fours. Swaggin' wagon. But yeah, quick rundown. So finally got my tires. Look at the difference in these bad boys. 195/40. Going from these big ass shits. What we got here? 215/45. And I'm pretty sure these are 225/45. So the difference is about to be crazy. It's about to be beautiful. So I'm about to have to trim some of this bumper pretty much down to this bolt. So that way my tire clears when I air out. So I forgot to put this update because, you know, I'm still getting used to this vlogging thing. I'll do stuff and be like, oh damn, I could have recorded that. So you already know. I figured while my car's on all fours, in the air, I'm about to hit 3,000 miles after the most recent oil change. So it's time for another oil change. You see the vibes. We are on the way back to the crib. The tire guy, my tire guy, should be at the crib. Honestly, probably around the same time as I get there. So we gonna see. Yeah, you see the vibes. Yes, sir. Got my dog in the truck. You feel me? Get your tires done right there. Boom, boom. Volusia. You might even drive past Volusia. You never know.
White clouds blowing out when we max 4-5, not the size, but it kick up. Highlight of my life, man, attraction. Squat down, work it out, make it sit up. Your world, controlling it, watch what happen. My world, on my finger, I just spin it. Hood girl, with killing paper as a passion. Collect the stacks.
The difference is crazy. Back to the stretch life. Got my dog doing the last wheel. Old tires.
My world, on my finger, I just spin it. Hood girl, with killing paper as a passion. Collect the stacks and bring it back, man, and take vision.
So right here, I was trying to light the damn blade on fire hot enough to just like cut it like butter. Yeah, that shit didn't work. So yeah, I gave up fairly quickly. Ended up pulling that grinder out. Alright, so we got. Cut a little piece. This was already there. I didn't do that, but what I did do wasn't so bad. Cut a piece so the bumper clears right here and whoop-dee.
White clouds blowing out when we max 4-5, not the size, but it kick up. Highlight of my life, man, attraction. Squat down, work it out, make it sit up. Your world, controlling it, watch what happen. My world, on my finger, I just spin it. Hood girl, with killing paper as a passion. Collect the stacks and bring it back, man, and take vision. White clouds blowing out when we max 4-5, not the size, but it kick up. Highlight of my life. life, man, attraction. Squat down, work it out, make it sit up. Your world, control in it, watch what happen. My world, on my finger, I just spit it. Hood girl, with killing paper as a passion. Collect the stacks and bring it back, man, and take vision. White clouds blowing out when we max. 4-5, not the side.
And aired out, which wasn't that much of a difference. So when I get the camera kit, I'm gonna adjust all this, make it equal, make it poke. You know what I'm saying? No unnecessary camera for no reason, right? So make it poke. Alright, fully aired out. Mad fucking cool. Low-key probably didn't even have to cut my bumper, which is crazy, but it's better to be prepared than not be. So now I just gotta relocate these so I can actually put the brackets, but yeah, we chilling. So we are riding it at a decently low height, scraping the mud flap shit away. This dude was a jackass, but scraping the mud flap shit away. I need to get rollers, but yeah. So I'll show y'all the height in a second after this.
Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Damn, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Shooting out the coupe and I ain't aiming. I don't give a fuck who the K hit. She ain't my wife or baby mama, I ain't claiming. I've been a bad boy, no obligations. I ain't more Lawrence over Smith, bitch. This ain't a Porsche, this ain't Lambo on my wheels, bitch. I'm getting all this bread, I used to steal, bitch. I ain't ashamed, no comedy, you gotta feel this. Ain't have no choice, it was the hunger I was feeling. Nowadays, it's hard to find a real bitch. I give her the gem, she want the gems. I was at Coachella off the stems. My words got more whip than diamonds.